Hey there, it's Christine, and I'm going to show you how to clean a leek. Leeks make a great addition to soups, stews, and casseroles. When you saute them or caramelize them, they develop a delicious sweet flavor. They're one of my all-time favorite vegetables. And once you know how to clean them, you're going to love them too. Okay, so let's talk leeks. Don't be intimidated by this unusual vegetable. If you're not familiar with it, you will have to be careful in how you wash it because it does collect a lot of dirt on the inside of the leaves. Let me show you. So first you want to give it an initial soak in water, just like the other vegetables. Then we're going to trim off the end. Then what I like to do is actually cut it in half, so it's just not so long to deal with. So the top leaves will just naturally fall apart, and those are a little bit easier to get inside of. But with this one, we're going to want to carefully cut it, and you'll want to probably set it on a cutting board to cut it. And you're going to want to slice it right down the center. And see how I even cut like a certain direction? Like leeks are flatter, like they're kind of like flat. They're not perfectly round often. So you just cut through the center there with the flat side down to make it a little easier. And then you're going to see all that dirt inside. Look at that. So if you thought you had washed a leek and got all the dirt, not quite, my friend. Look at all that. So we're going to wash it again. We're going to put it back in the bowl of cold water. So now we're giving them the second rinse and just being sure to get inside all those leaves to rinse away all that dirt. You can rub them with your fingers or use the vegetable scrub brush just to make sure you've gotten all the dirt out of there. I should mention that you want to be sure that you really get this fully cut off, this bottom part. It holds the leaves together, and we want to remove that so that the leaves come apart more easily so that we can really make sure it's thoroughly clean. But again, this makes a great soup stock addition. So now that you know exactly how to clean a leek, you can enjoy them in all your favorite recipes. If you need some healthy recipe inspiration, be sure to visit naturalkitchenschool.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you the next time. Bye!